Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you to upload videos to TikTok. First of all, launch your TikTok app in your mobile device. After that, on the bottom, you can see the plus icon. Select the plus icon. In the bottom right corner, we can see the upload option. Tap on the upload and select the video. And on the bottom right corner, there's a next icon. Tap on that. Over here, you can see the effects filters. You can choose if you want to put, or you could also edit as well and go back if you don't want to. And after when you're done, on the bottom you can see the next option. Select next. If you want to add description, you can simply tap on that add description option and start typing. And you could also post the hashtags if just tapping on the hashtags option. This is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. And after, on the bottom you could see there's a post option. When you tap on the post option, it will start posting. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.